Stimuli and responses in plants. So exactly like humans and animals, plants can also detect stimuli. So the type of stimuli that can be detected by plants include light, water, gravity, and touch. So these responses can be divided into two, which is tropism and also nastic movement. So what is tropism? Tropism is the directional response of plants to stimuli coming from a certain direction. So a plant can grow towards or away from the detected stimuli. So the part of the plant which grows towards the stimuli is known as positive tropism, whereas the part of the plant which grows away from the stimulus is known as negative tropism. So it is important to note that the directional response of plants normally occurs slowly and less significantly. Okay, so let me just explain to you about the four different types of tropism, which is phototropism, hydrotropism, geotropism, and tecmotropism. So let's start up with phototropism. Phototropism is the response of plants towards light. So the shoot of the plants grow towards the direction of light. This is known as positive phototropism. So as we all know, plants need light to carry out photosynthesis. So the positive phototropism ensures that the shoot and the leaves of plants obtain enough sunlight to make food through photosynthesis. So next, hydrotropism. So hydrotropism is the response of plants towards water. So the roots of the plants grow towards the direction of water, also known as positive hydrotropism. So what this positive hydrotropism allows the root to do is obtain water to carry out photosynthesis and also absorb dissolved mineral salt to stay alive. So let's move on to geotropism. Geotropism is the response of plants towards gravity. So the roots of the plants grow towards the direction of gravity, also known as positive geotropism. So the importance of positive geotropism is it allows the root of the plant to grow deep into the ground to grip, stabilize the position of the plant in the ground. So on the other hand, the shoots of the plants shows negative geotropism, where it grows upward growth in the opposite direction of gravity. And the importance of negative geotropism for the shoots is it allows the leaves of the plants to grow upwards to obtain sunlight for photosynthesis. So important thing to note here is hydrotropism is stronger than geotropism. As you can see in figure 1.28, the hydrotropism is stronger compared to geotropism. This is because plants require water to stay alive more than they require support. Okay, so let's move on to Tecmotropism. So Tecmotropism is a response towards touch. So tendrils and twining stems, they cling on to whatever object or other plants that they come in contact with, also known as positive Tecmotropism. So what this positive Tecmotropism can help the plant with is it helps the plant to grow upwards to obtain sunlight and grip object to obtain support. So the roots of plants show negative Tecmotropism since they have to avoid objects that obstruct their surge of water. So this is an example of a cucumber plant's tendril that is attaching to another plant for support and to grow upwards. And this is a morning glory that is attached to a fence using its twining stems. Next, let's talk about Nastic movement. So, Nastic movement is a response towards a stimulus such as touch, but does not depend on the direction of the stimulus, while tropism actually depends on the direction of stimulus. That is the reason why Nastic movement is not a type of tropism. So there's another question here which asks what are the other stimulus that can cause Nastic movement? So other stimulus such as heat, temperature, and also light can also serve as a stimuli for Nastic movement. So let me just highlight an example here. So Mimosa species responds to touch by folding its leaf inwards when touched, as shown in the photograph 1.21. So here there's a picture of the mimosa plant being touched by a pencil, and it rapidly closed after a few seconds. This is also important to note that Nastic movement occurs more rapidly than tropism, while tropism takes a long time and it's not something that is noticeable. So the Nastic movement also serves as a defense for the mimosa species against enemies and strong winds.
Hi, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. If you have any question, please comment down below. Thank you.